What's happening? Wanted to make a quick unboxing video, or quickie if you will, of Madden 23 for the PS5, dedicated to my man, Mr. John Blanco, who number one, I know is a fan of the Madden games, and number two, does awesome 90-second reviews over on his YouTube page, the Dads After Dark Show. Go check that out. 90-second reviews of all your favorite video games. Some of your not so favorite video games. Go check it out. All right, let's get to it. All right now. It's a video game. Just like the one you see in the store on the shelf with the coach on the front. How about that? That's awesome. Oh, fun fact. I got to tour one of Madden's buses over the summer. Check this out real quick. This is where the magic happens. Look at that. He's got a VCR. He's got all for watching tape. Yeah. Is he watching tape in the bedroom? Or is he watching midget porn? And I'm a big fan of the Madden games. Here's a quick picture of my old collection before I moved. Here we go. Ooh, the wrapper comes off. It's got on the back it says Field Sense. That's one of the things that they're focused on. I've noticed while in GameStop they advertise Field Sense. Here it is. Oh, beautiful. Got the controls here. Nobody ever puts controls in it anymore. And the disc. But what makes this unboxing even more cool is that I got the Walmart special edition with the Steelbook. Beautiful. There's Coach on the front. How about that? Got the nice Steelbook here. Wide open. Man, look at that. That is sharp. Sharp. All right, that's it. We got the game, got the Steelbook. Boom, boom. Check it out. Quick and easy. Nice and fun. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.